Hello, my beautiful viewers. I'm back on my challenge. As my hashtag goes, step by step, pole pole, mdogo mdogo, mos mos, and I'll be there. This time I'm tiling bedroom 3 and bedroom 4. This is bedroom 4 and this is bedroom 3. I want to show you what I went through. At the moment, I'm bringing in cement. My last challenge was in December when I was tiling the corridor and the dining room. I delayed with cement and it delayed work. So I decided to go for the cement first. I went to my village center and hired a boda who is now bringing in the cement for me. I'm placing them here at the veranda. I'll normally buy materials on my own. I'm prepared now. I want to go to Kisumu to go and get the tiles. That's where I will always go for the tiles. I'm now prepared, and within a short time, I was in Kisumu. This is Kisumu. I normally come to this area and in this shop, Pazon General Merchant, this is where I always get my tiles. This is their showroom. Whenever I come, I will walk around and also look for any other thing that I would like to pick. This is the batch number of tile that I normally come to take at this shop. I wanted to continue placing them in other rooms. Unfortunately, when the salesperson came, he told me that they are out of stock. So I had to change to something else. Jeff has already arrived with the tuk-tuk. I purchased 19 boxes of tiles. Fundi wanted 23. Remember, I had remained with 4. I called the Fundi and just told me to come with the 19 to make 23 with the other 4. He will see what he's going to do. Within a very short time, we were home. This time the tuk-tuk was very light. Jose was there waiting for us so that he can reload the tiles inside the house. With the tiles, I'm going to place them inside the house. The cement are outside on the veranda. So Jose is bringing them inside the house. After that, I cleared the rooms. I'd placed PVC carpet. So I removed the PVC carpet, cleared the rooms, and then poured water on the floor. Normally, Fundi Dave will tell me to pour water before the next day when they start working. On the next day, Fundi Dave was here together with the other Fundi that they normally work with. So at this moment, they are preparing the cement. They will always mix cement and water. The mixture is now ready and they want to start working. Before they start working, they'll place the tiles inside water and after some times they remove them. While they were still preparing themselves, I went to the center again to look for a carpenter to come and remove the doors. He delayed a bit and Fundi Dave decided to remove the door himself. Both of the doors are going to be removed. The reason is I'd placed the doors earlier. The height of the door was so much lower, which will prevent the tiles from the bedroom and the corridor to be joined together. So they had to remove the door. They started working so well. At the moment, they are cutting the skirting. That's the machine that they use to cut the tiles. What I like about Fundi Dave, he is always precise. I never have so much damages or excess materials remaining. He is the one who has been doing my tiles all round since I started. I've completed the sitting room, the corridor, the dining, and two bathrooms. At the moment, it's about midday, and they are still on bedroom 4. They started with bedroom 4. These are the type of tiles that I got. But Fundi Dave said he's going to mix them. I'll see the pattern that he is going to use. He's trying to make a pattern with the older tiles. They are not the same, but that is only going to be in bedroom 4. He is now in bedroom 3, while the other Fundi is now scrubbing bedroom 4. It's getting late, around 6. They told me that they will be leaving and they will come tomorrow to complete the work, especially doing the grout. They have not applied the grout, and you can see the pattern now. This is without grout. They are going to apply the grout tomorrow. He decided to place the older ones on near the wall so that he can use also the tiles for the skirting. You can see how the pattern has come out. He just decided to create a pattern so that we don't have waste with the older tiles that I had used in the sitting room, the corridor, and the dining. Look at how beautiful it is. Okay, I will see them tomorrow when they come back to continue with the work. This is now day 2, and in day 2, they've started now applying the grout in bedroom 4 that they completed yesterday. So they are going to apply the grout while Fundi Dev is in bedroom 3 now. He has started placing tiles now in bedroom 3. In bedroom 3, we are just going to use the tiles that I had brought in. This is how the grout looks like. They are going to let it dry, and after it's dry, they will start scrubbing. So the Fundi has started now scrubbing the grout, and he is using a dry steel wool to do that work. That's a dry steel wool, and he will scrub the whole surface. After scrubbing, let us see how the outcome is. This is the outcome even in bedroom 3 after they had completed everything. This is how the bedrooms look like. Remember, in bedroom 3, we didn't use the other remaining tiles. This is the tiles that now I'm going to use in the other bedrooms. I'm now remaining with bedroom 1, that is master bedroom, and the guest in the other side of the wing. Look at how beautiful they look. This is now bedroom 4, and look at that pattern that Dave had created so that we don't have any waste, and I liked it. Step by step, pole pole, mdogo mdogo, mosmos, nitafika. My next challenge is going to delay a bit because I'm going to do master bedroom, closet, and the guest. Fundi Dev has already given me everything that I'll need to buy. It's a bit expensive and I need to prepare. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and let's meet on my next.